Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone and today I would like to go through all Safari settings that you can customize. So at first, reach the settings, then go to Safari, and let's start with the access to Siri and search. Tap here to customize it and just mark those info that you want to allow. For example, if you want Siri to learn from this app, leave it active, and if you don't, smoothly unmark it. Then some stuff while searching, so you can show up in search or not, or show content in search or not. Also, it's up to you. Then you've got some suggestions, so smoothly customize it however you like. Then you've got preferred Safari language. So it's quite easy, quite simple. Just scroll through all the languages and pick the one that you want to browse in. And then we've got search details. So here you can select search engine, then private search engine, search engine suggestions, so you can activate them. Also Safari suggestions, obviously you can switch it off whenever you want. Then we've got quick website search. Tap here, and if you want to use the smart search field to search within websites by tapping the website name as a part of your search, leave it active, and if you don't, smoothly unmark it. And then we've got preload top here. You can also activate it or deactivate it the same way. And then we've got general settings. So here we've got autofill. You can use contact info, your own info, credit cards, saved credit cards, and so on. It will be automatically entered. So here it is. Then we've got favorites. So you can add something to favorites. We've got pop-ups, so you can smoothly block pop-ups in your device. You can add some extensions here. Here you can decide where your downloads are saved. And here you can customize the tabs. So it can be just a tab bar or single bar. So smoothly take a look at the icons, and this is the way it would be displayed. Then we've got the landscape tab bar. You can deactivate it also. Then you can allow website tidying, or you can switch it off. Then decide if you want your links to be open in the background on or in a new tab. And then you can close all tabs manually, or decide if they should be closed after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. Let me pick 1 week. Let's go back, and then you can also add some new profile to your Safari. A bit lower, you've got privacy and security settings. So here you can prevent cross-site tracking. You can hide IP address if you want to, or you can show it if you want to also. Then we've got the passcode details. So if you want to require your passcode to unlock private browsing, smoothly activate it here. And then you can clear all history and website data by tapping on this icon. And it has been done. A bit lower, you've got share across devices. So if you wish to have all set up the same for all your iOS devices, mark it here. And if you don't, if you would like to customize it separately, smoothly unmark it. Here you can also customize page zoom, request desktop website, reader, content blockers, camera, microphone, location, and all of them can be changed the same way. So you can smoothly enter particular option and then customize it over here. And a bit lower, we've got a reading list. So if you would like to automatically save all reading list items from iCloud for offline reading, smoothly click here to turn it on. Once you enter advanced, you will be able to find here website data. You can smoothly search for it. And privacy settings. So you can block all cookies if you want to. You can prevent privacy ad. You can switch it off also. And also check for Apple Pay if you want to. Then you can activate or deactivate JavaScript and Web Inspector. So actually that's it. Here are all Safari settings that you can customize. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.